Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to add a blur transition in your Canva video. So before everything else, first we should go to videos. And upon pressing videos, press the orientation of the video you want, whether it's landscape or portrait. Then here, you can see that you are in the editor already. Then afterwards, we go to templates. We select the video that you want. Let's say this. Select this video, drag it here, then select the other video, drag it there, then select another video. Then afterwards, we simply press the video that we want and press edit. Upon edit, we can see here the transitions below. Press transitions. We can just easily go to edit and animate. Then here we can see blur. And here we can see the speed of the blur, how much we can edit on enter or on exit, but I usually do both. So just press this one again, press blur. Here once again, press blur. On the other once again, we also press blur. So afterwards, it will look like something like this. We can see that it's blurring. Every time we play, it just blurs. So that's how you add a blurring transition to your Canva video. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the button for more Canva tips and tricks. Thank you.